Hey there, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Redgear A15 mouse. So let's get straight into it. So as you've seen, that is the unboxing. I did a different take by using stop motion. So now let's get to the mouse. It is a very good mouse in my opinion, like from first impressions. First up, let's just go through the what do you call it, the spec sheet, though I don't think it's more of specs, like yeah, whatever. So first up, it has a 1000 to 6400 range of DPI, but actually you can go a bit lower with, like, you can set up one button to be like the aim button. So like once you hold that, the DPI goes down to like 400 or 800, something like that. And the cable is great. It's like 1.8 meters long. It's braided. I'll just show you that right now. As you can see here, there, this is a braided cable, and it is braided. It's super long that I have to tie it up. Like, it could be annoying at times, but it's actually better to have more than less. So that is that. And if you plug the mouse in the drive and install the drivers and all, but even actually before installing the drivers, it lights up, the mouse lights up. So let me just see if I can get it focused. Yeah, as you can see, it lights up, and it has a lot of colors. You can have a lot of options. You can set it up based on the DPI. You can set it up based on to cycle around. Like right now I've just put in rainbow mode, which like basically cycles along with all the colors. And you can do that. You can set it to have one color here, one color here, or like cycle through that. And like you can cycle from front to back. It keeps on cycling colors, or back to front. Like there's a lot of options. And you can store two profiles, mode A and mode B. So you could have, like, maybe if you are right hand or left hand user, you can like change it around. Like all the buttons, there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 buttons, actually 8, including the scrolling action. So, and you can customize each and every button. These two are generally like by default, these two control the DPI. This is the usual scrolling right left mouse buttons, and these two control the front and back in case of file explorers and in web browsers and all. And I've set it up in mode 2 to be like this button to be the aim button. So like I can get precise aiming if I wanna maybe if I'm sniping or something. The DPI adjustments, I felt it very good, like especially when I'm doing artistic stuff like thumbnail corrections and editing and all. I can use a low DPI, and like while I'm gaming I can set it to a higher DPI, or like if I want to normal use, I'll keep it in like a mid-range DPI, and I can change it on fly. Is a very great thing. And the best part of the mouse is that it's only around 500 rupees or 600 rupees. I got it for like 550, I think. So that's an insane good price for like a good mice. And like it feels good. It's not too heavy. It's like balanced weight. Obviously it won't be as good as like 9,000 or 10,000 mice rupees mice, but like obviously for what my purpose is basically like we have seen the game lives. I game a bit, I edit, I code, so that's basically my uses. And like for that, like I'm no pro level gamer or like anything like that, so like for my use it's pretty good. And I've not extensively gamed with it. Basically, yeah, you can set up macro functions in the app Yeah, it says 125 Hz response, and switch lifetime is about 100,000 clicks, so that's great. And the weight is 131 grams, and the size is 125 into 78 into 42. I believe that's millimeters. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like the mouse and like how I feel about it, you can head to the descriptions where I'll be including links to the product, and most probably it'll be an affiliate link. So if you use that to buy, it'll be a great help for me, since I'll get a small commission, and that's the only source of income from this YouTube channel for me right now. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, do that. Do leave your feedback in the comment sections, and you can check out more videos here and in the descriptions. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.